Hello friends! In the Melomu Top tutorial I showed you how to create the I-cord edge, also known as the I-cord cast-off or I-cord bind-off. These terms all mean the same thing. Today I will demonstrate how to unravel this edge and get your leaf stitches back on the needle. I have a 3-stitch I-cord, but this method works for any number of stitches. Let's start from the end, when your yarn tail is already woven in like mine. First, locate the tail and unweave it. I'm not the best in hiding the ends, so this shouldn't take long. Our last step was to join the last 3 leaf stitches with the first 3 stitches from the cast-on edge using a tapestry needle. We need to find where this yarn is threaded. Gently pull the yarn tail to see where it tightens. Using a needle tip, carefully unweave this part to get stitches back on the needle. Okay, stitch slips off the needle, let's place it on the stitch marker. Continue unweaving the yarn tail, and whenever you see a stitch, immediately secure it with a marker. Once you have your 3 leaf stitches, you can transfer them back onto the needle. Remove the markers and place each stitch onto the needle, one by one. And slip them again. Keep your leaf stitches secure between your fingers and begin to unravel the yarn, placing each stitch back onto the needle as you go. Be careful with the first stitch. It consists of 2 stitches knitted together. Place them back without twisting. Then unravel the next 2 stitches. And voila! Now you have 4 stitches, 1 new stitch and 3 from the I-cord. Slip these 3 stitches off the needle again, then carefully unravel them one by one, placing them back onto the needle. Now we have 2 new stitches and 3 stitches from the I-cord. If you drop a stitch, keep a small crochet hook handy. I rarely start knitting without one nearby. Continue this process until all your body stitches are back on the needle. From here you can start the I-cord again or switch to ribbing. That's it, friends. If you found this video helpful, please let me know with a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.